So I just wanted to share with you how my first CV looked like when I was starting out. And I've named it as the best CV in the world. And don't worry, I don't send it like that to agencies. But let's have a look at it. Uh, as you can see, it's not that good looking. It was a kind of old-fashioned CV, old style of making a CV. And yeah, I thought I should translate from Spanish and Japanese as well because that would give me more opportunities. Now I realize that it's better to stick to one language when you're just starting out, get some credibility on it first, and after that, after you get some jobs, you can try maybe translating from other languages as well. This CV didn't have my contact information, so no wonder I wasn't getting any response from it. And after a while, I realized that I could do better because I saw some better looking CVs on the internet. So I created the second best CV in the world. Let's have a look at it. So it's not perfect, but it's a little bit, how can I say, it's decent at least. It has my name, what I do, my work experience, a little bit about me. One thing that I did was hyperlinked everything that I could. If you click here, for example, you're going to be directed to my translations on World History Encyclopedia and all the articles that I'm working on and things that I've translated. Same thing as here on the Mark Manson blog. Um, Here we have my working fields, my service and my productivity, my tools, my educational background, and these are all free courses that I've done. And Robert's course, I've done it, and I really recommend it either if you're a beginner or an experienced translator. It has a lot of valuable information, and it has my contact info as well. Now, at least it has my contact info. So it's kind of, for someone who's starting out, I'd say it's okay, it's acceptable. And it was hard for me. It was really hard for me to make this one because I didn't know how to. But what I did is I went on canvas.com. You don't need to pay it. I'm not paying it. I'm just using a trial version. You can go on templates and resumes, and here you can find pretty much everything that you need. So I just chose a free version, and that's what I'm currently using. So I hope you can benefit from it as well.